viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So today we are going to discuss about also Coinbase Wallet, and in this video I am giving you information. If you have misplaced your backup phrases, so how can you get backup from your Coinbase Wallet? Yes, you can also again take the backup of your phrases if you have misplaced. So before going to start this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. You can see here my second channel is available here. So if I'm going to click on video portion, then you can see here I have uploaded almost 4 videos about Coinbase Wallet. The first video is how to create a Coinbase wallet. Second is how to find my Coinbase wallet addresses. And third video is how to create a multiple Bitcoin wallet. And last video is how to recover Coinbase wallet with seed phrases. So yes, keep in your mind, if you are going to create any wallets, you must take the backup of your secret phrases. Without secret phrases, you never ever recover your wallet, okay, or restore your wallet. I have already taken the backup of my secret phrases. You can see here. But in this video I am giving to also information how to get backup of your secret phrases of Coinbase. Simple is that your right corner top, the icon shown here, simple click on it, and then the application will be open in front of you. You can see here my wallet is this time locked. You know, when I was create an account, I have applied strong password like my bank account on this wallet, because this is necessary for you if you save your account from scammer or hacker. Going to enter my password here, which is I have applied. I have enter my password. Simple click on unlock option. Now after that, your wallet will be shown in front of you. The main interface will be shown in front of you. And let's suppose you have created 1 account, 2 accounts, or 3 accounts, and you need to take the backup phrases of your account. So simple is that there's 4 options is available here bottom of this wallet. First asset, second transaction, fourth explorer, and 4th number is community, and 5th number is settings. So you just simple click on setting option if you want to get the backup of your phrases. When I click on it, so you can see here there is addresses 2 available. The first option, add and manage wallet, and second option is available here, show recovery phrases. This is your recovery phrases which is used for recover your wallet or import your wallet or restore your wallet. So I am going to take the back of these phrases. Simple click on this option, and now you can see here your password to show your recovery phrases. Turn off screen sharing, don't share with anyone. So viewers, keep in your mind, if you share your phrases with anyone, so maybe your fund will be lost. So don't share these information with anyone. And also these information write down in your personal diary, or print out these phrases, or save these phrases in your USB drive. Means make the multiple copies of your phrases. So I click on this box. I will not share my recovery phrases with anyone, including Coinbase. If I do, I will lose my all assets. So going to enter my password here. You can see here, without enter my password, I never seen my wallet phrases. So you must enter your password and also apply. Okay, click next. And now you can see here seed phrases 12 words in safe place. Do not share with anyone, even Coinbase. And please, recover phrases can recover your fund. Okay, so simple. Click on this icon of eye, and then the option is available here, directly copy, or you can write one by one phrases on your notepad file. So I have already my phrases shown here, you can see here in notepad file, because when I was create account, so I take the backup, and I also make the multiple backup of these phrases. So you can see here, if I'm going to enter here, then you can see here, if I'm going to paste here, so my all phrases is same with these phrases, means my all phrases is correct. So when you take the back of your Coinbase phrases, you just make the multiples copies. So here's, I hope you probably understand how can you get the phrases of backup your Coinbase account, and also you can recover your account with these phrases. You can see here, and this is my last video about how to recover your Coinbase wallet. This video is also very informative for you. So before going to recover your wallet, you must watch my last video. It's maybe you make the mistake when you are going to recover your wallet, restore wallet, or import your wallet. Okay, so I will also save this notepad file when I will stop this video, and make the multiples copy, like print and in USB drive, and also write in my personal diary. So yes, in last, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, that's name is Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. And please also like this video, share this video with your family friend. If you do this, so I will get the backup from your side. And if you face any problem regarding private key and deposit withdrawal, you can mail to me. My email address cryptowalletsinfo@gmail.com, and you can also write the comments below if you need to get any information about any cryptocurrency wallets. You know, I have uploaded almost 1000 plus videos on this YouTube channel. So please back up me and share my videos with anyone, and also share in your Facebook account, also share in WhatsApp, so then I will get the motivation from your side. So we'll meet with you in new video. Bye bye.